Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Cherokee Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS, STD, velvet red pearl coat, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, 3.734 axle ratio, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, quick order package 2BJ included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, black cloth bucket seats, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.